everyone, I am Sandra from Makesales, and today I'll be taking you on a quick tutorial guide on how to set who bears the transaction charges. Now, once you have logged into your account, on your dashboard you navigate to the settings button, and once the page is displayed you navigate down to charges. Once the page is displayed, automatically it is set that your customers will be the one to bear the transaction charges. But if you would like to bear it as a business owner, all you need to do is to click on the toggle button to set that you as the business owner would like to be the one to bear the transaction charges. As stated there, choose who will bear the charge for the transaction fee. This applies to all transactions. And once you have done that and you click on the save buttons, successfully you have saved that you as the business owner would like to bear the charge. If you would like to do same for your customer, all you need to do is to do the same thing on the customer side. So that is how easy it is to set who bears the transaction charges on the Makesales platform. So until next time, see you in our next tutorial. Bye!